Hello everybody, welcome to a new Minecraft mod review. Today, it's me, your host, the Master Gamer. I know how I haven't made a video in a long time. Oh my god, my game is so laggy. So today we're back in another mod review. You see this character I'm using? It's the World from JoJo. So, do you know him? I'm pretty sure you should know this guy. If you don't, this is the world alternate universe neon. I have this stand. Oops. Yeah, so I've created him for my Minecraft skin because I thought he was totally awesome. So yeah. So today's mod review, we have My Hero Academia. But before we do that, skin voting time. Do you prefer the world neon alternate universe, which is this one? Okay, guys, type your favorite skin in the comments below. Number 1 is this guy. Not the horse. Me. This guy. The neon alternate universe, the world. Or number 2, the original, the world. The world. Boom. So this is number 2. Over the not over heaven, what am I saying? The neon alternate universe is number 1. So guys, type in the comments which is your favorite. But for me, my favorite is the neon one. This is my favorite one. So today's mod review, we are reviewing My Hero Academia. It's I think it's a popular anime, I'm not sure, but guys, I'm pretty sure you know this anime, right? With this boy, this boy, and this boy. So you see this white hat kid, this green hat kid, a white and red hat kid. I have 3 of their powers today. This green hat kid is called Deku. I think that's his hero name. I think his real name is Midoriya. We have Bakugo and Todoroki. Yeah, I think that's his name. Guys, if you know his name, put it down in the comments below. I think his name is Todoroki. So without further ado, let's go on with the add-on. So now, as you can see, all these ice pillars, yeah, they're Todorokis. The flames, they're also Todorokis. And guys, if this is your favorite anime, leave it down in the comments below. Yeah, I really hope you can leave a comment. And before we go through this mod, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's test out the first few powers. So guys, first power, we have One for All Smash. And guys, if you make it to the end of the video, I will do a special event with you. I will climb up the tallest ice tower by teleporting, but that's a different thing. So first, we'll use Midoriya's power, One for All Smash. So let's do this. One for All Smash! Boom! Boom! Destruction! Yep, so this is the One for All Smash. That's the power. Why do I have that? So yeah, that's the power of One for All Smash. There's One for All Shoot Style. I think that does this. Boom. What's shoot style do? Does it just make me overpowered? Cause yeah, I think it makes me overpowered. And then we have this United States of Smash. I think that's from All Might. All Might's like, actually, guys, if you don't want spoilers, I won't tell you. But I'm so sorry. Disclaimer. I'm so sorry. Disclaimer. What do you call spoilers? Yeah, I'm so sorry. So yeah, guys, I'm so sorry. I have to tell you a spoiler, but United States of Smash was All Might's power. All Might is one of the most famous hero, but you know what? Since I have a caring heart for all of you, I won't tell you a spoiler. I will only tell you who is All Might. He's a famous hero. He's a good guy. I mean, why else is he called a hero, right? We gotta use our brains, son. Ooh, parkour. So yeah, guys, we better go to a pillar of ice that I made because this power needs to be tested on a pillar of ice. So I found the perfect one. Let me just fly up with my creative powers. So I'm gonna hold. Oh yeah, guys, if you're wondering if you have this add-on and you're wondering, hey, the Master Gamer, how am I gonna use these attacks? So you just take out the item, hold it down. Hold it down. Yeah, that's what happens. You hold it down and the thing just happens. So yes, United States of Smash just causes mass destruction. So now that we're done with Midoriya, we'll move on to Todoroki. Because why not? Todoroki's cool, he's calm, and yeah, I guess he's calm. Because he knows he's a pro hero. And he probably is. Okay, so Todoroki's power eventually causes all this to summon. So, there's ice, there's fire, obviously. We'll go with fire first because the ice just might summon on my face. So, hold down the fire. Vroom. Fire. Burn. Vroom. Look at that, more fire. And you have a fire resistance, thanks to that. So you won't get burned by your own powers. Vroom. I have regeneration as well when you use it. Okay, so now we'll move on to ice now that we're obviously done with fire. We're gonna just have to hold this down. Boom. What's the ice? I swear. Maybe that's the ice. Oh my god, that looks epic. Look at that. Only could just squeeze inside. Okay, I'm gonna. Boom. There you go. Got the ice. We got the ice. Boom. Boom. Another pillar of ice. Boom. And we have another pillar of ice again. So that's how his powers work. Just ice all the way. This pillar is so small, it's one block size. Better crouch on. Boom. Ah, see? Told you. See, I told you. I'm gonna have to fly out. I can't. Yeah, so, oh, this pillar of ice is pretty chunky. This one's like a full square. So yeah, that's what his power does. This video is like so short. But it's fine. If you want to know where to get this add-on, I will show it to you at the end of the video. Before I climb that ice thing. So now we'll move on to Bakugo's power. Bakugo's power is my favorite. It reminds me of Killer Queen from JoJo. You know Killer Queen, that pink color dude who whatever he touches explodes like kabam! So first we have this. No, I don't know how to pronounce this. So sorry for the inconvenience caused. I accidentally pressed a button. And I hate it because sometimes, like when I'm not intending to touch it, the thing just pretends I touched it, and then everything just shows. Now, yeah, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience caused. So Bakugo's power is like my favorite. So we have, what's this? Novefiaturok. I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to pronounce it. I'm so sorry. People who speak that language, I'm really sorry. I'm not fond in that language. So you just hold this down and you get like teleported. You're not teleported, okay? You get blasted. You see those explosions? Put myself in the ground. So you can see I'm in the void, right? I'm gonna use this power. Boom. I'm back out. No hole, no trace, no nothing. And they have no... Okay, I'm not going to even pronounce it. I feel so embarrassed doing it. This one will just blast you upwards. Yeah, really easy, right? Boom. Yeah. See, now you can see how tall that thing is. And I probably hope you understand how much time I spent preparing all this. Look at it. I just made a city. And then this one's my favorite. This one really reminds me of Killer Queen. This one you can AP shoot, hold down, go boom. a great way to destroy a base. And boom. Yep, boom is confirmed. So yeah, I pretend I'm Killer Queen by touching the ground. And then the boom. Yeah, Killer Queen enabled. So yeah, so guys, as I promised, I will show you where to get this add-on from. It is from this app called ADDONS. And then there are like all sorts of mods inside. Like you can search for stuff. And yeah, so yeah, enjoy your time. I mean, look at this, man. There's mob arena, kill parkour, learning things, Rust Bowl, dodge charger police, yeah. So I hope you understand where I get all these mods from. I hope you enjoy them. Yeah, they're really fun. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, man. So yeah, as another thing I promised you, time to get up. I'm gonna get up with my super Dio speed. Zawadodo! Just kidding. I don't have my powers with me today. Even if I had, they won't be working. I don't know why. Oof, big sad. Oh wait, guys. If you leave a like, subscribe, I will jump on this pillar here and fly up all the way up there. I'm gonna use a super jump. Okay, guys? 3, 2, 1. I'm jumping! Super jump! I'm flying! Oh! Oh! Oh my god, guys, you left a like, subscribe! Oh my god, thanks to you, I can see the clouds. I think I have no air. I am going to run out of air. So let me just boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ah! Smash! Oh my god, that is Bedrock Edition. I'm going to, yeah. So now, we're gonna have to find the super tall tower of ice. Okay, I found it. This one right here. Between the gaps. This one, yeah, this one. You heard me. This one. There's so much flames and ice, but I'm surprised that the flames do not affect the ice. Not even one bit. So you see this tower I'm standing on? Well, you see that one? Yep, there goes all the way up into the sky. But I don't want to waste your time. See, I am very caring for you viewers. So I'm going to just, blast myself up. I'm stuck. Okay, let's see how long it takes for me to get up there. I'm gonna look at my thing. Now, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Why am I keep on getting stuck? Yo, which way is the safest route? I'm gonna have to fly all the way up, man. Okay, I'm tired. Let me just... Oh my god. I'm going to find the safest route. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, viewers. But this is necessary. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna get up from here. Let's try and test this area out. Whoa, yeah, this part's totally safe. So I'm gonna get from here all the way up there in 3, 2, 1, go! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It took me 14 seconds to fly up here. Pretty easy, especially when you had all those powers. So you see here, I'm actually at the building limit, so you can't build anymore. Yes, you have seen it right. I have my JoJo powers with me right now. I love JoJo. Oh wait, oh my god, this is not the building max. Oh my god, I actually thought this was the building max. Wait, I'm gonna hold this down, build it to breeding max. Okay, summon my icy friends. A platform to discover. This is how you make a sweet, smooth path. Thanks to the building limit, this path is totally smooth. Look at that. It's a glacier. It's one huge glacier. If this was made of sand and then I just blew the bottom up, imagine though, you get road roller. Speaking of road rollers, I have one with me today. It's not exactly a road roller, it's actually a rail builder. So let me just throw away all this junk first. Let me try my stand power. No, stand power is not working today. Very unhappy. Yeah, so I've construction stuff. We have road builder and rail builder. I'm so sorry. This one's also this is another add-on of mine that I got. So I'm running out of time. I'm not intending to waste your time. So let's do this quick. Rail builder. Right. So this is a rail builder. Room. Let me see. Nothing happens. It's fine. You can actually jump with this. I don't know how. Okay. Crouch to get off its back. And then you have road builder. I've never tested this. Holy moly, that is epic. Whoa, let me ride this. Vroom vroom. Chaga 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 choo choo. Can I actually? Oh man, if only this good. Oh my god, it's breaking the ice. Oh my god, guys, you know something? Zawado. I am the world, also known as Zawado. Oh, the diamond one. I love the diamond one. They look really nice. I mean, why not, man? They're diamond. Give me away. I'm a worker coming through. Okay, yeah, I'm so sorry for the delay. I was just making. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this mod review. Leave in the comments who is your favorite character. This the world, the neon alternate dimension, or the original one. Leave in the comments below, and hopefully I will use it in the next Minecraft video. And guys, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you next time.